My lord, petitioner is a supporter of a opposition political party. We should be escorted by the police to reach to our place, our home. We could not reach there for last 6 months. More than that, we are unable to reach. Moreover, Lordship, where we are staying temporarily, these goons attacked us and set the entire house on fire recently. Complaints have been lodged after registration of the FIR and filing of the charge sheet. Subsequent developments have been addressed, Lordship. Kindly come to page page 80 of the writ petition. The complaint petition against the antisocial culprits who continues torturing again and again from 2021.
Who are the culprits?
I am for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, petitioner is a supporter of a opposition political party. And this 64, Lordship, before I start, 64, and this is 72. Lordship, item number 64 and 72. These are the petitions having the similar prayer. Lordship, I consider the position of law. One is filed by the husband, one is filed by the wife. Lordship, this wife's petition, Lordship, the husband's petition, which is item number 72, if it is taken up,
I have a composite report.
everything is taken up there. And
Cases versus counter cases, 2 cases lodged
Prakash,
on behalf of.
72 file টা বার করো। But respondent, anybody appearing?
We don't appear for 72.
Nobody for the respondent.
Yes, 72.
No, 64, any respondent is there.
64, I beg to appearance with the respondents.
Or it is not state. Who is appearing for the state?
State respondent, blood. State respondent.
A
64.
private respondent.
No
I am
private.
saying state respondent.
now, Lordship, the
The other one who is appearing for the petitioner. Well, I mean, here
petition, I am for the petitioner.
in both the cases.
Yes, my lord. And there is another one that is 69. 69 by another person.
You are appearing in that.
3 of the matters. Same area.
What are you wanting?
Lordship, we should be escorted by the police to reach to our place, our home. We could not reach there for last 6 months. More than that, we are unable to reach. Moreover, Lordship, where we are staying temporarily, these goons attacked us and set the entire house on fire recently. Lordship, kindly come to.
Yes, what report you have, Mr.
Lordship, I have a look at the report, my lord. In respect of item 64, my lord.
64.
My lord, firstly, my lord, the petitioner's husband made a court complaint, my lord. On the basis of that, my lord, your lordship kindly sees paragraph 2, my lord.
The case is 1 or 3.
Lordship, we read petitions 3.
And the original case?
Original clause multiple, Lordship. First 156 clause 3, which is appearing in
The petitioner husband
Page
will have
number-
lodged that complaint. On the basis of that, will specific FIR has been
156
registered
clause 3
and
is
will charge sheet has been filed. Thereafter, my lord, petitioner filed herself filed a written complaint. On the basis of that, my lord, specific FIR has been lodged, my lord, charge sheet has been filed. On the contrary, my lord, against the petitioner, my lord, private respondent lodged, my lord, 2 FIRs and my lord, 3 FIRs, my lord, and my lord, charge sheet have been submitted. And my lord, they are not staying over there. This is my report, my lord.
many complaints have been lodged after registration of the FIR and filing of the charge sheet. Subsequent developments have been addressed, Lordship. Kindly come to page 80 of the writ petition. The complaint petition against the antisocial culprits who continues torturing again and again from 2021.
Who are the culprits? What is the relation?
Lordship, it's given. Lordship, kindly come to
বাজে মামলা এগুলো।
page 80.
What?
Lord, kindly have a look
Page
at my
80
report.
is a composite complaint, Lordship. With due
Cases and counter cases, my lord, in all the cases, my lord, charge sheet have been submitted. In all the
No,
FIRs.
what is the relationship between the petitioner and the private respondent?
They are the neighbors, I believe, my lord.
Neighbors?
Lordship, my lord.
পাশাপাশি বাড়ি? So who is dominating the area?
Lordship, it is district of Purbo Mednipur, and Lordship happened rivalry political parties.
মাইতি, সুবোধ ভূঁইয়া, অশোক ভূঁইয়া, একে যশোদা দাস। He's not staying over there, can't enter.
Yes.
Unable to reach there.
No, she is not staying there. No, she is
She's
not
not staying there.
No, no, no.
2 times
But
they
my
have.
previous report says she has
Sir,
been
You
over.
take information. Purva Mednipur is a lawlessness situation. Listen to me. I'm not bothered about the criminal cases. But then a person will not go and stay at the residence. You set the house on whatever it is, what is. You take a report whether the house of the present petitioner is in a habitable condition. First. Second, what is the condition of law and order over there? If she enters,
That is reflected in my report, Milord.
what is there?
Milord, your lordship kindly have a look at the report, Milord. Milord, page 3 of my report, Milord, penultimate paragraph. It is important to mention here that at present the instant writ
They are not
petitioner,
staying because they are unable to stay.
Milord, police is keeping a sharp vigil over the area.
And they are not staying at Karapur Vigilta Ragbe.
Milord, in my previous report,
Sir, you have got to assess the situation.
kindly have a look at it. Milord, in the,
Previous dekho na. I'll try to understand my problem. I'm posing you this question. These are sensitive areas. Police will assess the situation. If these persons go over there, whether any
there will be
further
any, yes.
law and order problem can arise.
Lordship,
As simple as that.
Lordship.
Police assures that, thereafter I'll allow them to enter. Because neighbor dispute, one has set house on fire, whether there is a political dispute or just simple civil dispute.
Cases versus counter cases are there.
So simple cases don't happen. The genesis must be from other reasons.
Base and superstructure, Lordship. Base will be the case, superstructure will be political.
So you come up with a report explaining the ground reality situation. You understand? I'm not bothered about how many FIRs, how many charge sheet. Their purpose is to enter the home. Main purpose. Now, if they go, I find, see one thing, 436 is there, which is bothering me actually.
Lordship.
Huh? So police will assure that nothing will happen. I'll allow them to go. Otherwise, I will then say deploy adequate police force.
Your Lordship kindly indicates that deploy additional police force.
কিছু হয়ে গেলে কিন্তু একটাই মরে গেছে মারপিট করে. That is why after Egra, I am not allowing this. Otherwise, I would have passed the order.
Lordship, Milord. I'll come up with another fresh
That
report.
would be better, Lordship.
In one matter, it happened actually. Because these areas are very sensitive and people are very stubborn. So once this is there, until and unless there is the degree of threat perception being analyzed by the police authority is very difficult. Court sitting over here to just
Yes,
pass a direction. And why will extra police force be deployed? You see,
Yes.
for one family, how much police force? I mean, one is for protection, the other is for preventing the aggression.
Your Lordship kindly indicates me that police should see no breach of peace takes place in the area.
না না ওরা ব্রিচ অফ পিসে কিছু হয় না আমিও জানি চলে আসুন I am passing the order. You submit a further report. Petitioner is aggrieved by the fact that he is unable to she is unable to enter her residence because of the act and activities of the private respondents. Report has been submitted which reflects that the petitioner and his son, Naki,
But on behalf of the writ petitioner,
Petitioner and
cases,
husband.
criminal cases were lodged, Milord.
petitioner and her husband are not staying at the location. Full stop. Report also reflects number of criminal cases intercede between the parties, including the fact that the house of the petitioner was uh, set with fire. Full stop. Be that as it may, as the petitioner has expressed her intention to go and stay at her residence, the the officer in charge, Bhagavanpur Police Station, Purva Mednipur, will submit a report.
Further report.
Will submit a further report which will incorporate if the petitioner and the husband goes and stays at the address mentioned in the writ petition, whether any dispute of such nature may arise which would blow out of proportion, resulting in crisis of law and order. Let this report be submitted on তারিখে কি অবস্থা? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ তাহলে কি আর তো
26
তাহলে 13 চলে যাবে না?
69-72 টাও বলে দাও একবার তুই।
কিন্তু 23-এর মামলা 13 চলে যাবে।
একই
23-এর
জায়গা
মামলা।
আরেকটা
On
একই জায়গা আরেকটা
6th of on 13th of December 2024, when the writ petition will appear under the heading for orders. আচ্ছা, same order in respect of all other
72 can be covered by this.
তাহলে
Only 69 lordship
I'll see. এটা অ্যাড করে দিন।
should
Who
be
is appearing in 72 for the state?
I don't appear.
You are appearing in
No, no,
72.
খরচ করতে না।
Who is appearing in item number 72 for the state? একটু ফাঁকা রেখে দিন, ডাক হয়ে যাবে। তাতে ডেকে দিয়েছি 72 পর্যন্ত, তাহলে
Your lordship is pleased to fix on 12th December.
13
13th.
It's on Friday. এটার সাথে এটা দিয়ে দিন, হ্যাঁ?
আগেরটা ভগ্ন
দুটো দিয়ে একটা সিঙ্গেল অর্ডার করে দিন, হ্যাঁ?
কেন হতো? কি হলো?
বি ট্যাগ করে দিন তাহলে। দেখো রিপ্লাই করছে তো।
ভগবানপুর কোথায় ভাই?
হ্যাঁ, ওই WPA 8858 of 2023 and WPA 2580 of 803 of 2023. একটু ওই 64 আর 72 করে দেবেন। বি ট্যাগ টুগেদার। তারপর যা করে দেবেন। রিপোর্ট সাবমিটেড বি কেপ টু দ্য রেকর্ড না থাকলে একটু দিয়ে দেবেন।